Another way to do it is right away. So I've done my magic circle. Here I did 12 stitches, but it depends as much as needed to put your safety eye in. So I do have 6mm eye, so I'll push it and look, very nice. I have already closed this is like an example, so I'll just put it here just to show you. Otherwise you have to close it from the other side. Just quickly to show you how you don't have to do it after first attaching the eye and then do it kind of again, so you can do it right away. So again, going in on the 2 loops, in, we can make them a bit bigger stripes, so, and I can attach the eye and make the effects right away. So showing you, I'm trying to come back. So like I showed you earlier, so wrapping, I'm trying to wrap, or I'm not trying, I'm actually wrapping my yarn over, coming to the next one, wrapping it over, again, going under. I can do 1, 2, 3 times, just make them more bigger. And you can see how lovely effect